not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage of continuing your journey that matters.
With this wonderful quote, good morning, respected principal ma'am, supervisors, teachers, and students. I am Aniket, with me is Krisha. Today we are addressing a topic that touches all of us at the same time exam phobia.
That's right, Aniket. It's a theme that many of us can relate to today. But today, we aim to look at it with different angles and hopefully find ways to tackle it.
Let's kickstart assembly with the thought of the day.
So, for today's thought of the day, I would like to call Khushi.
Good morning. Thought of the day is dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Thank you.
Thank you for inspiring us and making our day prestigious.
Every day, a single word can inspire us to change our perspectives. Today's word of the day is especially powerful.
To reveal and explain it, we have Gia joining us. Let's listen closely and learn how this word can impact our approach to exams.
Good morning. Today's word of the day is affirmation. It's spelled like AFFIRMATION, which means a state or statement, a sign or statement of being true. For example, student result is an affirmation of they are learning. Thank you.
Thank you, Jia, for adding a new word to our vocabulary. Now, keeping informed is the key for being well-rounded individual.
Today's news highlights, including achievements and upcoming events in our school community. We turn to Nishtha. Let's find out what's happening around us.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are as follow. WPL 2024 opening ceremony highlights. B-Town starts as captains kickstart season. Vadodara 10 held in clash over the arrest of one for offensive social media post. No justice, no closure. Family of Janvi Kandula as US police officer is let off the hook. KSRTC bus burst into flames in Kerala. Passengers escape unhurt. Arrest Kejriwal if you wish. Won't back out of India alliance, says AAP. ED CBI to arrest CM Arvind Kejriwal in 2-3 days. AAP MLA Saurabh Bhardwaj claims. A case has been filed against 3 nurses in Mumbai for allegedly tapping a newborn's mouth. Indians are amongst youngest buyers of the Lamborghini as compared to the developed economies, company CEO said. Today's maximum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. SVB Cricket News. In this week, the inter-class cricket tournament of Class 7th is completed. Yesterday, Team 7th G and Team 7th J both passed 3 rounds each and played the final match, and 7G team became champion in this tournament and 7G team was runner, in which Sid Patel was the man of the match by 41 runs and 3 wickets in that match. A second match was played for the 4th place between 7th H and 7th E, in which 7th H team won the match, in which Manav Patel was the man of the match by 16 runs and 2 wickets in that match. Congratulations to all the participants. Now the matches of Class 8 will start from Monday. Thank you.
Thank you for updating us.
Now, let's know more about the symptoms faced by the students having exam phobia.
So we invite Hale to share something that will make us think in new ways.
Good morning. Today's topic is symptoms on test anxiety. Number 1, you can experience physical, emotional and cognitive symptoms if you have test anxiety. Physical symptoms may include stomach pain, excessive sweating, headaches, shortness of breath. Number 2, physical symptoms of test anxiety can include feelings of stress, fear, anger, self-doubt. Number 3, anxiety disorders are common, affecting about 18% of adults, but only about a third of people with anxiety seek treatment. according to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America. Thank you.
Thank you, Hill.
Now it's show time. A skit is a unique way of reflecting our fears and laughter back to us.
To bring our feelings about exams to life and perhaps show us how to conquer them. Please welcome our performance for a skit on exam phobia.
Good morning. This skit is based on the exam challenge. The scene opens with Emily standing, nervously flipping through her notes. Alex approaches her.
Hey Emily, are you ready for exam tomorrow?
I don't know. I'm really scared. What if I don't do well?
You have studied so hard. I am sure that you will do great. But if you are worried, you can talk with Miss Patel. She might be able to help you.
What's the matter, Emily? Are you feeling anxious about your exams? Yes, I do. What if I fail in exam? It's normal to feel anxious about your exam. But remember, exams are just a way to measure your progress. So be happy, be positive, work hard and make it happen.
Misa enters the scene.
What's going on here?
Emily was feeling anxious about her exam, so I was comforting her.
That's great, Miss Patel. It's important for students to manage their stress during exams. Emily, remember, just stay calm and do your best. We are here to support you.
The next day, Emily is standing near the exam hall, looking much calmer. She takes a deep breath and starts the exam. After exam, Alex approaches her.
How did your exam does?
It was well. I am not as anxious as I was earlier. I think I may overcome my exam phobia now.
Okay.
Fades out with Emily smiling confidently, ready to face the exam future. Thank you.
The, the skit really explained our situation. Thanks for performing.
Now, to shed on how we can transform exam pressure into a positive force,
We would like to invite Arnav on the stage.
Good morning everyone, respected advisor sir, principal ma'am, supervisors, teachers and all my dear schoolmates. Today I want to address a common challenge that many of us face, exam phobia. Exams are like battles we fight to prove our knowledge and skills, but the fear associated with them can be overwhelming. In Hindu mythology, the story of Arjun and his anxiety on the battlefield in the Bhagavad Gita teaches us about overcoming fear. Arjun faced a similar moment of crisis on the battlefield, torn between duty and fear of the consequences. Shri Krishna teachings guide him to overcome his doubts and fears, emphasizing the importance of focusing on one's duty without attachment on the results. Similarly, we must approach exams with dedication and preparation without letting fear consume us. Exam phobia can be alleviated through effective study techniques, time management, and seeking support from teachers and peers. Let us remember that success is not solely defined by grades, but by the effort we put into learning and growing. Embracing the wisdom of Hindu mythology, let us face exams with the resilience of Arjun, recognizing that challenges are opportunities for personal development. And I want to end my speech by a shlok said by Sri Krishna. कर्मण्ये वाधिका रस्ते माँ फलेषु कदाचला माँ कर्मफल हेतुर्भुर्म माते संगोस्तु कर्माणि। अर्थात इंसान को केवल कर्म का ही अधिकार है, उसके फल के बारे में चिंता करने का नहीं। इसलिए तुम कर्मों के फल की चिंता मत करो और कर्म से विमुख मत हो। थैंक यू।
thank you for your informative words.
Guidance from those who has been in our shoes can be really reassuring.
For some wise words and encouragement as we navigate through exam season, let's invite Shivesh sir to the stage.
Don't stress, do your best, forget the rest. With this positive line, good morning to all the eminent personalities of the day, advisors sir, principal ma'am, supervisors, teachers and lovely students. We opt this topic exam phobia, which is a very common feeling among all of us, I would say. Normally we feel overwhelmed with stress and tension during exam session, which in turn has a negative impact on our learning process. That is the important thing. We have to think about it that due to stress we become negative sometimes. But there is no use of talking about the problem if we don't have solutions. So here we are with the 7 steps which we can present you front of you, and it will certainly help you to get rid of this exam phobia. The first is start revising early. That is the most important thing. When you came to know about your timetable for your annual examinations or any kind of examinations, you must start preparing accordingly, and for that revision is most important, because whatever you have studied you have to go through for a revision. So that is the most important thing. Else if you are going to do the things at 11 hours or at the last moment, it will not at all help you. Second is create a proper study plan. That is important. In which terms? Like for everything we are planning. When we are coming to school, we are planning, okay, we have to wear a uniform, this dress, that dress, whatever. So in the same manner, when you come to know about your examination, do the planning accordingly to achieve your target. The third is shuffle subjects. Shuffle subjects means here you will have 5-6 subjects. So accordingly you make your plan. Give equal importance to all the subjects. That will make a big difference in your preparation and get rid of this exam phobia. It's not only that all the time you should study after school hours. You should take some breaks also, some small breaks. It will help you certainly, mentally, physically. Have some stretch, have some meditation, have some snack. All these things will help you during this particular break, and it will certainly give you a kind of relaxation in your mind. At night, get enough sleep. At least 7 to 8 hours. That is a normal sleeping time which you should have, so that you can recall and feel energized next morning. That is. Now the most important thing, do not compare yourself with others. Normally what is happening, you as a student, you are talking to your friends, you are talking about how your preparation is going. Some of your friend is very good in that one. He will say, okay, I have completed 5 chapters, you have done 2 chapters only. So you start taking stress, you start taking tension for it. So do not compare. It may be possible that that boy, that student, that friend could be, a kind of having a different way of learning. He may be a little bit better than you, so nothing to worry about it. You do act per your pace, nothing to worry about others. And the last is stay positive. That is the important weapon for every one of us. Positivity is something which helps you to do everything which looks impossible, which looks difficult. But if we are positive, we can do everything in right manner, everything we can achieve. So stay positive, be happy, thank you, and get ready for your upcoming annual examination. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivesh sir, for your informative segment.
First four line boys, please get up. First four line, please get up. First four line, beta. Yes. Senior student, make a separate line this side. This side, girls, four line. I want front space little bit more. Get up and form a side line. बेटा इस साइड आ जाओ, इधर लाइन में आ जाओ. ये आगे वाली स्पेस थोड़ी चाहिए, इसके लिए साइड में आ जाओ. आप भी उठ जाओ. फर्स्ट फोर लाइन. फर्स्ट फोर लाइन. Cameraman, please take your camera accordingly back side. First four line only. In a side. Thank you, dear. Boys, first four line. 1,